So hello folks. Today we'll be starting our intro video for the class 11 computer science chapter 6. So chapter 6 is our data types and operators in Python. So yeah, welcome to the Python warehouse. Every piece of data your program uses needs a specific container, right? And every action requires a specific tool. So today we'll see the overview of the chapter. We seeing the containers. Containers are the data types that are referred to here, and the tools, the operators that makes the Python work. And we should remember that Python is dynamically typed language. We previously discussed in the chapter 5 getting started with Python what is dynamically typed. Means the warehouse manager automatically knows what box to use. The data types can be interconverted from int to float and float to int like that. Okay, so this we already discussed in the previous chapter also. So data type in Python, like in numbers, we have the int, float, complex. Then you have the boolean true and false. None data type. None is not a zero. Okay, that is different. None is just a no value. Sequence in strings, list, tuple, sets are there, and sets is not there in the syllabus by the way. And dictionary is the hash map. Basically, in how to check it the type of a data. Let's say age equal to here 16. If you do the type function type of age, it will give a class int. Let it age is equal to 16.4. If age is equal to 16.4, it will be giving type of then age. If we do, so it will be giving class float. Let a class str for the string. If we made the 16 a string, so like that it will be given. So this is just an intro video to detail video one shot will be coming ahead. So what we'll be discussing, that we'll be discussing the in detail about the integers, the float, in the numbers or decimals. Integers are the whole numbers, then we positive or negative. Boolean with true or false value, bulk data type, int and float data type. And sometimes we may get confused like 4.0 is what, because the zero part is there, so it is still a float, right? So that point changes everything. Then organizers will be seeing like what is a string and a text in quotes, and these are immutable data types. What is immutable we learned in the previous chapter. Means value at place cannot be changed. Lists are enclosed in your brackets, square brackets. So like this is one example. So these are mutable data types. Value at place can be changed. Tuples are enclosed in parentheses. 10 and 20 is immutable. None type. None means deliberate empty box. It is not zero, not false, but null keyword. So 9 is an int. If you give 9 comma, it will give a tuple. Don't forget the comma. So this is some of the edge cases and other things we'll be studying in this chapter. And then is a mappings, that is hash map, dictionary, and data type. So there we these are the key value pairs enclosed in the curly braces. If you just keep the value in curly braces, that's a set. Like in maths, you know that. In dictionary is a key value pair, like name is to Rahul, age is a 16. So the one name is a key, age is a key, and Rahul has 16 other values here. And remember, um, we know the immutable data types like int, float, bool, str, tuple. These are cannot be changed in place. Python destroy the old and create a new variable to store it. And mutable can be changed at place, yeah, in place, add, yeah, swap without destroying, like a list, dict, set, like this. In the memory detective, to get the memory address and memory location of a variable, we use the id function. We know that num1 equal to 300. If we assign the num2 as num1, id of num1 equal to id of num2 to give a boolean value of true, because evaluates to that same memory location. At the end, memory location, the pointing is the same. So these will be discussing operators in Python. Like normal division is, it will give a float value to 10 by 3 to exact float 3.333, 3.33, maybe some significant digits. And with the float division, it will chop the decimal part and give the only integer division. The 10 float division 3 is like 3. Modulus operator, that is the difference. Modulus operator at 10 modulo 3, so 3 into 3 is 9 and remaining is 1, that's a remainder, returns a leftover thing. So this is a difference with the pizza math example. And sometimes when we see the relational operators like equal to, not equal to, we'll be discussing with examples. Greater than, less than equal to, less than equal to, Then we also know what is the difference between equality and normal equal operator. Normal equal here is a assign operator, but equality is a comparison operator. And how to do string comparison in terms of lexicographical order in the ASCII value. So these we'll be getting to know here. And logical operators and or not are there. Don't write these are capital, in small you write it. Right, used to combine conditional statements. You know, it is used to, like in the AND gate we studied, to those same AND table logic we use. Ice cream or cake, so it is or, at least one is true. True both if only both sides are true. This relaxed gatekeeper means at least one is true. Not means reverses the result. That's a contrarian. We discussed the not gate also in the Boolean logic, if you remember. Like that, the assignment operator, augmented assignment, these are talking about the compound assignment. Plus equal to is x plus equal to 3 is like x equal to x plus 3. The old value of x plus 3, the new value of x, it will assign. L value, R value, we already know that. We discuss all these things, right? So these can be extended to other types of operators also as well. We'll be seeing that in a detailed video. And yeah, identity operators will be studying equal to is operator, is not operator. Is used to just compare identity, means in the memory location. But if you read equality, it means the values are there or not, right? So like bike 1 equal to bike 2, it is the same thing. Did it look the same? Yes, but bike 1 is bike 2 is false because the ID memory location is different. Like here it is in memory 100, other is in memory 200. Then membership operator, in and not in. The जैसे कि in team roster में Rahul, Arav and Neha, the Arav is in the team. Arav mean this roster true, but if you give Priya in roster, that will give false. The in and not in will be discussing, like these are membership. In assignment, in identities is not type conversion, implicit time conversion, or automated type conversion. Basically what the code said, Python does it to automatically to prevent data loss, like into float 10 plus 2.5 will be giving a 12.5, the float value in plus float. But explicit is a typecasting, so we do it manually to function like int float str. So int 500 plus 50, it will convert this 500 string value to 500 plus 50, then it will evaluate the 550 as a total result. Like that, uh, we'll be discussing some important questions also, what will be can come in the exam, the summary and the common mistakes, other things we'll be discussing. So yeah, that's all. And we'll be accomplishing the mission of completing this chapter 6, data types and operators in Python, in the detailed explanation video. So that's all for now. Stay tuned for the next video that will be coming the detailed one shot. And yeah, if you like the video, and subscribe to this channel. That's all. So yeah, that's all. Thank you folks, and bye bye.